Thanks, Jim. Right now, Glenn Funk, ready to take over as new Davidson County District Attorney. But as we talked with Tori Johnson last week, he faces a number of challenges in your new position. And I've got to bring up, first of all, the Vanderbilt rape case. How does your election change what happens going forward with that case?
Well, I cannot comment on a pending case in specifics. And obviously, I've not been in the office leading up to today.
Sure.
But I do plan to meet with Tori Johnson and with Deputy District Attorney Tom Thurman just to make sure that that case remains a top priority.
Now, would you try it, or do you think it'll be settled by then, or I guess all this needs to be worked out?
The last comment that I heard was that Tori Johnson was hoping to have that case settled before September 1st, but if not, then I do expect to participate in the trial. Okay.
You said diversity is important to you. Why is that important? How would you go about increasing diversity?
As the district attorney, the district attorney's job is to be the head of law enforcement in conjunction with the police chief.
Sure.
It's important that all parts of town feel that they have a seat at the table. The only way that we can really go forward as a city is for all parts of Nashville to be working together and feel like we're all in this together.
So you're talking about hiring people of color and try to improve that, the employment, the look of employment.
That's correct. I want the office to reflect the diversity of Nashville.
Okay, domestic violence, this is something that was a big topic. It is a lot of cases, either the ones that go to trial or don't. What do you see your role should be in dealing with that?
Yeah, almost 50% of all violent crimes are domestic related. And so what we need to do as an office is really make sure that that is a focus of the office. We're going to really focus on violent crimes, and we're going to talk about vulnerable victims as well. When we're dealing with domestic violence cases, sometimes the victims in those cases have some unique concerns with regards to the prosecution. If someone is the victim of an aggravated robbery, obviously they don't have any connection with the person that did the robbery. But in a domestic violence case, that's from people that were in a relationship, maybe even loved each other, maybe even been married for a while and have kids. And so we need to make sure we spend the time to meet with victims before the case even goes to court, in order to make sure we understand their situation, their family's situation, and can properly serve them to make sure that they do not get back into an abusive situation.
Because they're an important part of that case going forward.
Yes.
Glenn Funk, congratulations.
Thank you very
much.
Thank
you for joining us, and good luck to you.
Okay,
Thank you.